How to make money with Elon Musk. Hello everybody, I'm Jason, and not only will I be showing you how others are making anywhere from $100 to even $500 per day with Elon Musk, but I'll be showing you a way how you can make even more as they are not using it to their full potential. In case you don't know, Elon Musk is not only one of the richest persons in the world, but he is also one of the most talked about and one of the most followed personalities online. And we'll be using his popularity to make money daily. And as you can see right here, I'm currently on YouTube, and if I should do a quick search of Elon Musk news, you can see a variety of YouTube channels that pop up, and I'll be showing you how these channels are making money and how you can start making money right now if you were to create a new channel talking about Elon Musk. I'll be showing you how you could do this. But before I do that, I'll be showing you some examples of channels that are currently using Elon Musk and his popularity to make money. For example, this channel right here by the name of Elon Musk Zone talks about Elon Musk and also talks about technology. Their information is very good and their presentation is also very good. Hence why they have so many subscribers and they get thousands of views daily. And the thing about it that you probably don't know when it comes to YouTube or when it comes to ad revenue overall, if you're running a website or if you're running a YouTube channel, once you mention Elon Musk, I don't know why, but the CPM tends to be a lot higher. So I can only imagine the amount of money that a YouTube channel that is monetized and mentions Elon Musk or is based around Elon Musk is making. A second channel that I can show you right here is this one by the name of Elon Musk Rewind. And again, these channels, all they do is simply post the latest information on Elon Musk, and there are so many persons that are searching about this fellow that they are getting thousands of views, and I'll be showing you how you can get in front of them and start making money also. And as you can see here, if I were to tap on one of their videos, all they have is simply Elon Musk talking, and they would interject every now and then and give their point of view on what he's talking about, and that's it. And you can see here is another channel by the name of Elon Musk News, and all this channel does is the same thing. They simply post videos of him talking about or different interviews that he's in, and then they'll simply interject like every 15 seconds or so and give their thoughts on what he's talking about. Now, how will this benefit you? The first thing I want you to do is go onto google.com, and I want you to type in Elon Musk, and as you can see here, he's always trending. And once you have gone onto google.com and you have typed in Elon Musk, you are going to tap on news. Once you have selected news, you'll be led to this page right here, and from here you will see the latest news articles that Elon Musk's name has been mentioned in, and you are going to open any one of the articles that you want to use. But I would recommend that for this example you do, for example, like 2 videos a day, depending on how the tweets that he sends out on that day or how much is being talked about. But you're going to need to also go onto Google Alerts, and once on Google Alerts, you're going to tap on the first option at the top, and from here you're simply going to copy and paste Elon Musk, and you're going to paste Elon Musk right here, and you're going to create alert. By creating an alert, any article that is released about Elon Musk, you'll be getting a notification about it in your email address, on your phone or on your laptop, and you could be the first person to release a video about him on YouTube. But you may be saying, okay, then when I release the video, how will I be able to make money as I am not monetized as yet? Well, let me show you how you are going to be able to make money. To make money off Elon Musk, you'll be going to Etsy. And with Etsy, as you can see here, there are numerous persons that are creating t-shirts about him. And Etsy is a website that persons go on and upload designs, and they do They do drop shipping. So for example, you will create a design. They would create a design, better yet, because I don't want you to create a design. I want it to be as easy as possible for you. So you won't be creating any design and uploading to Etsy. What you're going to do, once on Etsy, you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you're going to select their affiliates program, and you want to sign up as an affiliate on Etsy. And once you sign up as an affiliate on Etsy, you can simply select any one of the t-shirts that you see about Elon Musk, for example this one right here, and you will simply share your link in the YouTube channel. And once a person is watching a video about Elon Musk, more than likely he or she is a fan of Elon Musk, so they would definitely support you. Not everyone will support you, but you'll definitely get a good amount of sales. And as I have shown you earlier, and that you obviously have seen, is very popular, so you'll be getting a lot of views and hopefully a lot of sales. As you can see right here, this person has gotten over 3,000 sales thus far selling Elon Musk t-shirts. So why not do this? And it's quite easy to create a video, as all you'll need, you could go onto canva.com and you will simply copy and paste the news article, and you can get videos from Google. I've done numerous videos on how you can do this, but that's basically the concept of how you can start making money with Elon Musk. If you found this video helpful, and or you'd like me to go more in detail, let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching.